So no one has got any doubt? That means either you have not done anything or you have solved everything. I don't know in which category you are. Waiting for the last moment only. When exam will come, then only will start. And 5 year you are writing? No. Till calorimetry, only 31 or 32 has sent. After that, one chapter we have finished, that is refraction at plane surface. Now next chapter is going on. This is also will be finished. So you start the remaining part of the 5 year also. Okay, so today we shall start this 5D, that is magnifying glass. Magnifying glass or reading glass. Or simple microscope. All three are same. Whether it is magnifying glass or reading glass or simple microscope, all three are same. See, Pushkar Mishra now coming. I hope you all are in school uniform. Anytime I will be asked, I will tell you to put your video on. So be ready. So magnifying glass or simple microscope or reading glass, they are same thing. So it is what? It is a convex lens. Of short focal length. In which object is placed between optical center and focus. So this is nothing, a convex lens only. You might have seen the person who is repairing the mobile. In front of his, a glass or lens is kept. That lens is of very small focal length, that is very high power. As we have done yesterday, power is inverse of focal length. If focal length of the lens is 5 centimeter, what is the power? If focal length of convex lens is 5 centimeter, what is the power? Yes? No one has got the answer. If focal length is 5 centimeter, what is the power?
1 by f.
If in the question paper you are given focal length of a lens is 5 centimeter, find the power, then you will write 1 by f.
1 by 5.
Yes? What is the answer?
One by 5.
1 by 5 is 100% wrong answer.
0.2.
0.2, 200% wrong. Yesterday we did and today you finish everything.
20
Who is that?
prayers.
Praise Babu. Yes, it is 20 diopter. Focal length you have to take in meter, not in centimeter. So power will be 1 by 5 by 100 meter it is. Then it will become 20 diopter. As it is convex lens, so this power is positive. So we are taking this one of high power. Power of the lens is very high. Naturally, focal length will be very small. Generally, for magnifying glass, focal length 5 to 7 centimeter that is taken. So as we know, when the object is placed between focus and optical center, where is the image formed? When object is placed between optical center and focus, where is the image formed? No idea. In convex lens, when the object is placed between optical center and focus,
Behind the object.
is formed, and that is behind the object. So, if you are asked the ray diagram, or suppose you are asked what is the principle of this one, magnifying glass. So, what is the principle? So, a convex lens forms virtual and magnified image. When object is placed between its optical center, or we call pole, and focus. So this is the basic principle of working of this. Now ray diagram. So suppose this is the lens. Suppose here is the focus. So we are placing the object between this O and F. Anywhere we can place. If it is closer to focus, image will be at infinity, highly magnified. Closer to optical center, image will be magnified but not highly magnified. And this other way we are taking this way. So this side ray is diverging. So it will not meet at any point. So what will be when we are producing it back? Anywhere you will get the image. That image may be within focus, maybe beyond focus, that doesn't matter. That will depend on how you have placed the object. If you have placed the object very close to the lens, image may come within focus. That also no problem. It may come somewhere here. But image will be always behind the object, and the size of image will be more than this object. So when we see from here, when we place our eye here, we are seeing this image. This is used by the person who is repairing the watch, the person who is repairing the mobile. They are using. The palmist is also using this to see the very fine lines of the palm. They are also using. For reading glass, it is used. Means then person who is not able to see properly the very small letters. Generally, the person who is in the medical shop, they are using this just to see if the name of the medicine is very small. They can read it after magnifying those letters. So that's why we say coming now, see only 15 minutes over, then it's joining. Okay. So this is about magnifying glass. Now sometimes we ask, what is the magnifying power? How much it can magnify? That we call magnifying power of the glass. So maximum magnification of this is who is this? Ananya Chaudhary. All VIPs are. So maximum magnifying power microscope is 1 plus D by F. And magnifying power for normal vision. It's simply D by F. This magnifying power, or sometimes we call, okay, for distinct vision we can say, oh, this one is okay. So what is D here? D we call list. What is that first line where? This one. Maximum magnifying power of this microscope, that is simple microscope or magnifying glass, is 1 plus D by F. D we say capital D. Of this D. So this
So last line what they have written.
audio is not clear. What was that?
Last line, sir.
And magnifying power for normal vision or normal adjustment we say. Maximum magnifying power, or sometimes we say magnifying power for distinct vision. Magnifying power for distinct vision. And this is for normal vision. Normally, we use this one only. So this D we call as least distance for distinct vision. LDDB, and its value is 25 centimeter for normal eye. This sometimes we call near point also. Near point of normal eye. What is the near point and what is far point? Suppose you are seeing the lines of your palm. Keep your palm very close to your eye like this. Are you able to see these fine lines? You will not be able to see. So there is a minimum distance to see the object distinctly. Distinctly means the boundary should be very sharp. No hazy type images there. So that is distinct vision. Magnified and distinct are both are different things. Magnified means size is very large. That is appearing very large. That is magnified. Distinct means boundary of the image is very sharp. That is distinct. So these fine lines will be distinct when you are keeping your palm at a distance of 25 or more than 25. Up to 25, the size will keep on increasing. Beyond 25, its width will keep on decreasing. So like when you are seeing, when you are at the top of the mountain and seeing the person who is walking on the ground, what it appears? It is very small. The stars are appearing very small. Moon appear larger than star. Though star is very big in comparison to moon. But it depends on distance. So if distance of the object is less, it subtends large angle on our eye. If the same object is very far, the same object is kept very far, it will subtend very small angle on our eye. LDDV, not O. O is very. This is D, least distance for distinct vision. That is one. Least distance for distinct vision. LDDV. So sometimes we call near point. That is the minimum distance for which the object is appearing distinct. And that value is 25 centimeter. For normal eye. Normal eye means who is not using any specs for that eye. A person who can see anything, any object distinctly till whatever it is. You can see the star, you can see the whatever object you can see, whatever the place visibility is there. So near point for that eye is 25 centimeter and far point is infinity. So we can see very far, whatever the object, if it is present at the star is also visible, provided it is illuminating sufficient light. So if light is able to reach from that object to your eye, that object must be visible to you. The person who is using the specs, for him, near point and far point will be different. So when the image is formed at a distance of 25 centimeter, that is here from here, that we call distinct vision. And in that case, its magnification is 1 plus d by f. That is, if it is 5 centimeter focal length, what will be 25 by 5, that is 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 times it will appear. Whereas if the image is formed at very far, that is infinity, when the object is placed near the focus, because anywhere we can place, focus to optical center, anywhere the object can be placed, image will be magnified. So when the object is placed at focus, the size of image is very large, but it will not appear to you. When a star is present at the infinity, the size of a star is very large, but it is appearing smaller than moon. So the size of image will be very large, but it will not appear as large as in this case, because angle subtended by that object on eye will be less. And then magnification will become 1 less than this, that is d by f only. So it will appear only 5 times magnified. But we prefer this one. Any person or any person who is using this one to repair the watch or to repair mobile, he has to see the same part for longer time. If he is keeping this one adjustment, then in that case what will be, his eye will be strained. Within 10 minutes or 20 minutes, eye will be strained. So no one is preferring this one. We prefer this one. That's why name is normal vision. So when the object is at infinity, you can see that object for longer duration. But if you are keeping like this and 25 centimeter, you see this object, after 5 minutes you will feel uneasy. Okay, so this is about magnifying glass or reading glass. Application of lenses, you have to read yourself. You learn the points where it is used. Just now one application we discussed. In the specs also it is used. That already we have discussed yesterday. There are 2 types of specs. One for myopia, other for forgot. In biology you have done, no? What are the defects of vision?
Hypermetropia.
Hypermetropia. Any other? You have discussed? No, only 2.
I don't know.
4 are there. Myopia, hypermetropia, and third one we call presbyopia. That is the person who is having both type of defect. He is not able to see, read the paper. He is not able to see the very far, like person of our age. After 40, generally the person is having this type of defect. Not able to read the paper without specs and not able to see very far without specs. That is both type of defect is there. That is presbyopia. And other is we call astigmatism. So there are 4 types of defect that can be cured by using suitable lens only. So that is the major. What are the other uses? In compound microscope, you might have gone to the any test center, suppose in the doctor, they are using this one, microscope only, compound microscope, to see the blood, to test the blood or whatever, urine or whatever you have given for testing. They are using compound microscope. Their magnifying power is very high. So that whatever bacteria or germs are also, that can be visible. So in microscope, it is used, in specs it is used, and in cameras also it is used. In all the optical instruments, single lens is not used. Always combination, convex and concave, both are combined. If you are using single lens, what will be? When white light image incident, it will break into 7 colors. So colored image will be formed. So in order to avoid that, combination is used. That will behave as convex or that will behave as concave lens. Okay, so these are the applications. You read and learn it. Now, determination of focal length is left. Okay, then next we will do this one, determination of focal length. Yes. Anyone have got any doubt? Anything to ask?
No, sir.
Question
What is
was,
that?
sir, if a lens
What is that?
of the same focal length, sir,
Hmm.
sir, if a lens is having focal length f and its thickness is increased twice, then what will be the effects?
So when thickness of lens is increased, naturally what is that? How you are increasing the thickness? Without changing the curvature or after changing the curvature?
Without changing the curvature.
Without changing the curvature, then it will remain almost same. It will not affect.
Okay, sir.
So
And
only
when
what
we
will
change
be
the curvature,
without
sir,
changing curvature only. Yes.
and if we change the curvature, then
Naturally, focal length will change because focal length depend on the curvature of the two surfaces and the refractive index of the material of with respect to surrounding. These are the two factors. Yes. Next one. Yes. No one has got any doubt. Only two possibilities are there. You have understood everything or you have not understood. You have only problems are there.
Sir,
You have
if
not.
thickness will be reduced, then also we will see the same case.
Yeah, it will be same. Without changing the curvature, if thickness is increased or decreased, there will be no effect. Only defect will start. That defect we will discuss in class 12, not now. Different type of defect will start if the lens is very thick. That we call aberration will be there. Different type of aberration is there. But for you, it will be, we will say no effect if we change the thickness. Now, for example, suppose we are not using this whole lens. We are using only this part of the lens. And you are keeping the object here. No change, no effect on the image. If the lens, suppose sometimes it is asked, if the half part of the lens is covered with black paper, what will be the effect on the image? There will be no change in the position, no change in the nature, only brightness will decrease because less amount of light is crossing through this lens. Yes. Any other? Now suppose you are asked, if this is the lens, this is half part is made up of glass, half part is made up of another material. This is refractive index mu1, this is refractive index mu2. Now, one object is placed on this common center of the principal axis. What will be your observation? What will be your observation? How many images will be formed? So
One
this
image.
part and this part will, yes. You are giving some answer? Say
Only one image will be formed.
only one image will be formed. Why?
Because here also ray of light will follow the same rule.
No, it will be wrong. So here what will be? We have changed the material. And focal length depend on both curvature as well as material. So curvature is same, but material has changed. So this focal length and this focal length will be different. Focal length of this part of the lens and focal length of this part of the lens will be different. And we know V is what? UF by U plus F. No? So when F changes, V will change. So we will get two different images there, that side. We will not get only one image. This and this will behave as two separate lenses. Focal length change means lens is different.
In magnification also, sir.
Magnification will also change. Two different images means two different places you are getting, naturally magnification will be different. Those who are forming larger place, more magnified, closer to lens, less magnified, because magnification depend on V and V is indirectly depending on this F. So U is same, curvature is same, then also it will behave as two different lenses. Okay. So we'll leave up to here. Next we shall see determination of focal length. If you have not done up to 5C, complete it. Okay, shall we leave now?
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you,
you.
Thank you, sir.